Who makes the most money? Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Little Caesars, or Domino? Let's go through the numbers. The average Pizza Hut store generates roughly around $714,000 a year, and the entire system makes $3.5 billion average sales in revenue per year. Each franchisee will average roughly around $100,000 in profit. As a Little Caesars franchise owner, you could expect to make somewhere between $50,000 and $200,000 per year. However, only the top 10% of franchise owners make that $200,000 number. The average franchise owner for Little Caesars makes roughly around $70,000 take home per year. So Papa John's profit margins run somewhere between 10 and 20%. The average franchise owner is making somewhere between $110,000 and $220,000 per year. The average Domino's franchise owner makes somewhere between $50,000 and $200,000 per year. Obviously, this is a really hard number to calculate because there's so many determining factors based on city, population size, how the store owner runs their business, and a million other things. The average Domino's franchise owner reports a salary or profits of an estimated $107,000 to $116,000 per year. Who makes the most money out of all these franchises and who's the winner? Little Caesars and Domino's tie because they both make somewhere between $50,000 and $200,000 per year, and the average franchise owner makes somewhere in the low $100,000 range. Which franchise you want to buy? Well, that's up to you. But we all know the best piece is Domino's.